Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what is blocking your path. What are the blockages in the direction, whatever you are wanting to do in your life, what is blocking you. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below Aries. So let's see what is the blockage on your path, Aries. Okay, so we have the Six of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, and the Sun. Okay, so Aries, as a blockage we have the Six of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, and the Sun card. So what I feel here is that there is some sort of lack of balance over here in your life. You are not able to balance a situation, or you are too closed off. Maybe you are holding on to something, maybe you are too closed off, maybe keeping secrets, and that is what is hampering your happiness. Okay, so the reason for, and that is why Sun itself is coming up as a blockage. The Sun itself, which is the happiest card in the deck, itself is coming up as a blockage. So thus this is your nature or way of dealing with this situation. If you're dealing with a particular situation, the way you are dealing with, either you are not opening up about it, either you are not talking about it openly, or keeping some secrets, or either you are holding on to certain things which are actually not useful now. Okay, and because of this you are not able to balance the situation. You need to understand that there has to be an equal give and take for anything to move forward in life. And what I feel here is that since that is coming up as a blockage, you are not able to open up, you are not able to move ahead in life, and that is what is blocking your path here, Aries. So you need to balance the situations, you need to balance you need to bring balance to the situation. Basically you need to understand that you have to give in order to receive certain things. Okay, you cannot sit there tight and expect the other person to keep on doing things, or the other party to keep on doing things or making efforts. Okay, so maybe you are being a little selfish also, can be that also. Maybe you feel that the other person or the other people will come to you. It can be something of that sort also. So just take it as it resonates. But overall the message which is coming here is that the lack of balance, lack of opening up, holding on to something which doesn't serve anything as for now, certain situations, these situations are really masking or diminishing your progress in life. If you are able to deal with this situation, you may find all your happiness in life, at least for the situation you are dealing with right now, or for which you're watching the video right now. So Aries, hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, thank you.